Viewers, welcome to this video lecture series on Computer Networks Lab. In this particular session, I shall be discussing on a networking device called as modem. Modem stands for modulation demodulation. So what do you mean by modulator and what do you mean by demodulator? And moreover, I would like to tell here, modem is a device that is not used for forwarding a packet. Rather, its functionality is different from whatever you have studied in my previous section about the different intermediate devices. This particular device is used for communication between devices that receives data. Remember here, that receives data only in digital form. Normally when we try to send the data from one system to another system, suppose if these are the two different systems that wants to communicate, even this system always stores the data in the digital form and it is going to send the data in the digital form only. And similarly at the receiver side also, the data is getting accepted only in the digital form. But now what exactly will happen is, the transmission medium that is used here in between these two will accept only the analog signals. So hence we require here a device called as modem, which is going to do the needful. So a modem is required at this particular side, that is at the sender side. A modem is required at the receiver side. It converts the digital signal to analog and vice versa. So from this particular PC, the signal has started where? The signal has started in what form? It has started in the digital form. But the medium here, the transmission medium, will accept only what? Only the analog. Fine. So this modem is used here to convert from digital to analog. You can see here the input that is coming to the modem is in the digital form, whereas when it comes out from the modem, it is in the analog form. So the analog signals travel through this, and when it reaches towards the receiver side, then we require another modem to be placed at the receiver side. Remember, the device is only one modem. It has got both the functionalities, modulation and demodulation. Modulation is completely modulation is what? Modulation is digital to analog, and demodulation is analog to digital. At the sender side, the modulator part of this particular device will function and it will convert the digital to analog, and at the receiver side, the demodulator unit of this device will function and it will convert analog to digital. All these are the digital signals, analog signals. So these analog signals will travel, then finally here you have the digital signals at the receiver side. So this becomes very simple to understand also with this diagram. Computer stores the information digitally, whereas information is transmitted in the form of an analog signal over the telephone line. Now let us see the different types of modem. One is called as the internal modem and another is called as the external modem. What is the difference between these two? Nowadays we have the modem built inside the computer itself, so we call it as an internal modem. External modem also available, that you can connect it to the computer. And even modem is built inside the router nowadays. Definitely router is the one which is going to forward the packets of one network to another network. Modem is an abbreviation for modulator demodulator. MOD is modulator and DEM is demodulator. Hope the explanation is clear to you all. If you find this session useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.